He's the packing king, pare.
Yeah. Ito na, magkakatalo. Paring hype.
Yes.
740.
Wala tayong ganong discount. Grabe naman. We ka happy, we ka happy. Done. What's up guys? What's another day? Time check natin ha. 2:15. Nalita ko 15 minutes. Nanood kami Canelo tsaka Crawford eh. Galing ni Billy Crawford, no? Hi sir. Hi.
Good
How are you? Good afternoon. Sorry, nalita ko boss ha. Kamusta po? Sorry, I didn't get your name. Your name?
My name is Jeremiah, also known as Packing King.
That's your business.
Manufacturing kami ng mga packaging materials like bubble wrap, packaging tapes.
Dami kong ganyan dati, sayang. Nag-wholesale ako ng ganyan. Dati kasi nag-e-commerce ako. So, lagi kami nagpapack.
Kami ang pinaka-import.
Really?
Yeah.
All about packaging?
Lahat.
Basically.
Access, gano'n.
How long ka na nagaganyan?
3 years.
Congratulations agad para doon sa business mo. Anyway, is this your first Rolex?
First Rolex, totally.
Ba't mo naisipang bumili?
Branding, iiba yung cycle ng mga network.
So maangat ka na, boss. Aray ko. Hindi, tama naman. I really understand. Kasi yung network mo, boss, mas namimit mo na yung mga elite na mga tao, of course. Meetings, gano'n. Dapat may konting dating ka. And of course, if you represent your business and you have a Rolex on your wrist, that also is a trophy for your business. Kasi hindi ka naman makakabili ng Rolex kung hindi successful business mo. Alright, boss, we have here a couple of watches. I've seen that you are a very big fan of the Wimbledon. Fan ka ba ng tennis, boss?
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Parang sabi daw nila, kapag ka entry level,
Submariner, yes. Puro mga Wimbledon naman yung kinuha mo. So these are very good choices and then you chose something very unique dito which is vintage siya. Personally, I like this. But however, syempre, bago-bago tong mga to so you won't go wrong with these naman. Wimbledon, named after yung Grand Slam doon sa England na Wimbledon tournament. Of course, yan, since fan ako ng tennis as well.
Una kong ini-aim talaga, ito, steel. Kasi simple lang, pang daily.
This is the most basic configuration of a date just. First, it's an oyster bracelet. Next is, it is a smooth bezel. So, it's the basic. Okay? Tabi na natin yun kasi ayaw na natin yun. Wala muna ako na wrist mo. Are you a fan of big watch? Kasi naka-big watch ka ngayon eh.
Kaya medyo hindi na to.
Hindi na to, tanggalin agad natin yan. Tanggalin natin mag-eliminate sa bahay ni Kuya.
First time Rolex.
So, hindi pa to pasok muna. Sige, eliminate na tayo.
Eliminate mo na, sige na.
Now, boss, isa lang to. Para malaman mo kung bibili mo talaga sa dalawan to. Try mo muna, boss.
Mahal kasi to eh.
Mahal pa ba yan, boss? Kaya ano ba naman yan? Ilang bubble wrap lang yan, boss eh. Actually, parang malaki sa'yo yung 41 eh.
41 din ba to? Kaso kasi, sobrang vintage. Although,
Yeah, well,
I know the price.
Yeah.
Pero, I think siguro kung yun yung problema, siguro malayo. Okay na rin naman siya.
Okay naman. So, yan na lang, boss.
I think siguro,
Susukati mo pa ba to?
tinaway ko na yan eh. Ikaw, anong tingin mo sa dalawa? Mas mahal to eh.
Ayan, ang gusto ko kay madam. Doon siya sa mas mahal.
Ito na, magkakatalo.
785,000. What do you think?
Iniisip ko kasi talaga. Mas pinili ko lang kasi to dahil gusto ko lang ng konti mag-upgrade eh. Pero kung tutusin, okay na ako dun sa 600,000. Paring hype.
Yes.
740.
Boss, wala tayong ganong discount. Grabe naman. 45k discount.
Tawad ng negosyante. Alam mo naman ako, wholesaler ako. So, baka naman, boss.
Na-service na siya, boss. Mahal yun. Kaya nagulat ako kung bakit. Ang dada.
Pag na-service, ano ibig sabihin?
Every 5 years, boss, ang Rolex dapat sina-service. So, yung overhauling pa lang noon, umabot ng 20 to 30,000 minsan. Just the overhauling noon. Ito, recently lang, wala pa isang buwan, sinervice na.
Pag hindi na-overhaul, ano nangyayari sa akin?
Hindi siya nagiging accurate, tumitigil siya. Nagkaka-problem. Boss, hindi ko kayang bawasan ito masyado. Honestly, I'll give you a yes, no, no price lang. Ang laki kasi nung ano yun. Complete pa to. Box, papers, everything. 7-step authenticated na yan.
Alam mo ba yung history ba't ako bumili sa'yo?
Bakit?
Marami ako nakita ng Rolex sa community mo. Ikaw talaga yung paring hype is Rolex.
Well, thank you for that, sir. Siyempre. Kasi tignan mo, biruin mo na service na siya. Wala mo na. May 1-year warranty ko pa sa kumpleto pa yan. Pinakasagad ko dito, to be honest, 770.
770, 760. Last na. Ayan na, 10,000 na lang ha.
765, that's it. Hindi ko na kaya. Gusto ko pareho naman tayo happy. We ka happy, we are happy. Done.
Sige.
Done. Thank you so much, boss. Maraming salamat. 765 for this Wimbledon na two-tone. Reference 126303. Complete box papers. Ma'am Kat, pa-prepare na ako.
Sige.
Cash pa tayo, boss. Card. Garage.
Sa lahat ng mga gustong magnegosyo ng packaging business, follow nyo lang ako si Jeremiah Marabilia, the Packing King.
He's the packing king, pare. This is your done deal hoodie, boss.
Hindi ka ba nagbibigay niya sa mga hindi bumili ng Rolex?
Hindi ako nagbibigay pa.
At hindi mo-
You buy a Rolex, you buy a watch from us, you get a done deal hoodie. That's where the value is. That's where people like you like it.
At tama yun. Huwag kang matetep na ibenta kasi mawawala yung value ng mga unang
Alam mo, from day
bumili.
one naman, boss, it's not all about the money. So, it's about creating community and creating value. Kung pera-pera lang, binenta ko na yun.
Salamat. Picture na tayo.
Sige. Yes, you're the king.